I'm Kevin Neely and I'm the director of the Warwick Centre in High Value Low Environmental Impact Manufacture. I've actually been running EngDs at Warwick since about 1992 now. So in that time we've had about 120 graduates, many of whom are now in very high profile jobs in industry.
My name's Glenn Turley and I'm from Warwick Manufacturing Group at the University of Warwick, and I'm a former engineering doctorate student, and I've been looking at establishing manufacturing techniques in the operating theatre of the NHS. The centre was really important because not only WMG but also my industrial partner, which was Nikon Metrology, who make measurement equipment for aerospace, automotive and medical. So to actually get not only automotive or medical but also aerospace techniques, and to be able to select the different types of techniques that would be most appropriate to the situation that I was researching, and then also with the exploitation of that research back into industry and the NHS. So in terms of the connections that was available, and also the breadth of the research that you could access, so it was really important in that regard.
They're extremely important because you find that the EngD not only produces a lot of impact for the individual company and for the student, they also give a lot of offshoots onto other things. So not only are you getting that individual, for instance, doing a very good piece of work, you're developing somebody who can use those same techniques on all sorts of things, working for the company full-time, permanently, once they have actually graduated. I think what it does is it makes you part of a bigger community, because individual centres, we each have our own particular themes. There's a little commonality between some of them, a little bit of overlap, but some of the centres are very, very different. And yet we've all got the same sort of objectives of developing people who can not just think their way through a fundamental problem, they can actually apply that information and implement it in a business to the benefit of the company. And what the EngD does is it brings us all together so that we've got a greater overall focus and a national impetus, rather than just our own localized impetus.